How to buy and sell cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide. Are you new to cryptocurrency and feeling a bit overwhelmed? Do you want to start investing in cryptocurrency but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this blog post, we'll take a look at the basics of buying and selling cryptocurrency so you can make an informed decision on whether or not cryptocurrency is right for you. We'll discuss topics such as what cryptocurrency is, the different types of cryptocurrency, and how to find a trustworthy exchange. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the knowledge you need to safely and confidently buy and sell cryptocurrency. Choose the right exchange. When buying or selling cryptocurrency, the exchange you use is an essential factor in achieving your desired outcome. When it comes to choosing an exchange, there are several important things to consider. First, determine which coins you want to buy and sell and make sure the exchange supports them. Second, look at the fees associated with buying and selling. You'll want to choose an exchange that has competitive trading fees. Additionally, make sure the exchange is reputable and secure. You'll want to research the exchange thoroughly and look for reviews from other users. Finally, if you're looking to buy or sell a large amount of cryptocurrency, you may want to consider an OTC over-the-counter exchange. These exchanges often have better liquidity than traditional exchanges and provide a more secure trading environment. Consider security. When investing in cryptocurrency, security should be your top priority. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets can be vulnerable to hacks and scams. Before you start investing, make sure you understand the risks and take the necessary precautions. Start by researching the different cryptocurrency exchanges available. Make sure you understand the fees, deposit limits, and trading features of each exchange. You should also check if the exchange is regulated or not, as well as its customer support. Determine what you want to buy. When it comes to buying and selling cryptocurrency, the first step is to determine what you want to buy. There are hundreds of different types of coins and tokens, and each one serves a different purpose. Before you purchase any cryptocurrency, it's important that you research the coin or token to make sure it meets your needs. To start, determine the type of cryptocurrency you want to buy. If you are new to the world of cryptocurrency, you might consider investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or another major coin. Alternatively, you may want to explore altcoins, which are smaller coins with less market capitalization. Safely store your coins. When you purchase cryptocurrency, it is important to store it in a secure wallet. Cryptocurrency wallets come in different forms. Each type of wallet has its own set of benefits and drawbacks, so it is important to understand the differences before deciding which one is right for you. The most popular form of wallet is the hot wallet. Hot wallets are web-based and connected to the internet, making them more vulnerable to theft than other wallets. However, they are generally easier to use and offer quick access to your coins. Popular hot wallets include Coinbase, Mycelium, and Electrum. Alternatively, cold wallets are offline and not connected to the internet. This makes them more secure, as it makes it harder for hackers to gain access to your coins. Popular cold wallets include hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger, as well as paper wallets. Sell your coins. Once you've bought the coins you wanted, you may want to sell them again. Selling coins is a bit different from buying them because you'll have to transfer the coins back to the exchange before you can actually sell them. The first step is to make sure your wallet is connected to the exchange. You will need to send the coins to the address provided by the exchange. Once the coins are in the exchange, you can then place an order to sell them. Once you've placed your order, you will need to wait for it to be fulfilled. When the order is completed, your coins will be sent back to the exchange wallet, and you will receive the money in your account. Make sure to withdraw your funds as soon as possible so that you can avoid any potential losses due to price fluctuations. Finally, remember to always be careful when dealing with cryptocurrency, and make sure to do your own research before investing or trading any coin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.